folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today we have the Gemini by JA Roby, this beautiful beast of a wood cook stove. And we are going to show you guys how to properly put your bricks into your firebox. Oftentimes when your stove gets delivered during shipment, sometimes things can shift around. Also, certain companies may have certain bricks out or certain items that need to be installed, like the insulation blanket that goes above your air tubes. So we are going to show you how to install your firebox on your JA Roby cook stove once it arrives. And here we have up close, that is going to be your insulation blanket with the weight that goes on top of it to hold it into place. And all of your bricks that fit inside the firebox. Now JA Roby does also give you a pretty nice diagram of the firebox, which we will go ahead and show you right here. That's located in your owner's manual, so be sure to follow along with that as well as you're doing this along with our video today. I'm going to show you guys the firebox up close without the bricks installed, so you can see that it is a nice steel bottom, and on the sides as well, this is going to be an insulation here, this white on each side that goes underneath the bricks, which adds more heat protection. On the top of the firebox, you do have your air tubes. We're going to install that insulation blanket into the top of the stove. You can see though, JA Roby does a nice job with their door here, thick gaskets, nice quality on the latch system. Okay, we're going to start with the large bricks, and we're going to take 3 large bricks and put them on the top here at the back over the air tubes and push them all the way to the back of the stove. After that, we're going to take the white insulation blanket and we're going to put that on top. Then these 3 bricks here, so not the absolute smallest ones, but these 3 are then going to be located at the very front. And then once we put those in, then we will add our weights in. Okay, so in goes the insulation. And then you want to make sure that you add in your weighted piece as well, and that's going to make sure to hold everything down in place so that your insulation doesn't like move around. Certain people have found it tucked in the side and in weird places, and you definitely want that insulation because it does increase the overall performance and burn and functionality of the stove. So do make sure that you have your firebox properly installed. It is necessary to the function of your appliance. Okay, so next again we're starting with the smaller bricks, the 3, and those will go in. And then we'll continue with the remainder. Okay, and then goes in that final piece. Next we are going to move on to the sides of the firebox. Each side is going to have 4 of the large bricks and 1 of these medium bricks that are located right here in the front. So 4 of the larger ones, 1 medium on each side of the firebox. Once we've completed each side of the firebox, then we will add in the bottom of the firebox. The bottom of the firebox is going to be 4 of the larger ones, and then these 2 smaller bricks that are going to be located at the front of the pile here. So we're going to continue installing these until we have our finished firebox. If you guys do like these videos, if you find them helpful, informational, and educational, please don't forget to just give me that thumbs up and click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. It helps me out so much. Thanks for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.